back to my channel. So today I have got a bad news to share with you all. I actually lost my phone while I was traveling via train. Now basically my phone was inside my bag and my bag was kept in the luggage corner. And after covering some platforms, I just took my bag and I simply opened my bag and I just saw that I'm unable to find my mobile phone. That was a bit shocking and I panicked a lot. And you know what? It is normal. We do panic. It's fine. It's all right. But after that, after when I came to that my phone is lost, I have followed some steps which I would be sharing with you people. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. But before sharing you all those steps, I would like to tell you one thing, that please be alert and please be careful. And if you are a bit careless and negligent person just like me, then please follow the steps which I did if in case you come around such sort of situation. So the first step will be approach the GRPS, your Government Railway Police Station. Every platform has got a GRP, so just reach there, and once you reach there, give them a written complaint letter which would be consisting of your personal information and details about your mobile phone. And most importantly, every mobile phone has got its IMEI number, that is your International Mobile Element Identity Number. In case if you are able to give that number correctly, then they would be able to track your mobile phone, and there are some chances that you might get your mobile phone back. So after this, after writing this complaint, you have to address it to the inspector in charge, and he is gonna draft FIR. And alright, so all the steps are done. Now next, the most important stuff is blocking your SIM card. Now blocking your SIM card can also be easily done via your mobile phone. You just have to contact your telecom provider, service provider, and they would be blocking your number. Apart from that, you can also visit their service center, and then you can simply block your mobile number from there. And in case if that SIM card was very essential to you, then you can also get a duplicate SIM card very easily, and that too at a very minimal price. Like I had to give just 25 rupees for the duplicate SIM card, and it is working just the same as the previous. And even after following all these steps, there is no any guarantee that you would be getting your mobile phone back, but still there are little chances that you might get it back. Like you might get your phone within a week or within 2 years. You never know. So anyway, life is all about things and things, ups and downs. After all, life goes on and on and on. What is lost is lost, but you gain experiences from every stuff which is happening with you. Like today, after this incident, or I can say like accident which has happened with me, next time I'm gonna be very precautious about it. And I hope to all those people who are watching my video right now, I really wish nothing like this occurs with you, but still be alert and be careful. Now there are some accidents, incidents or mishappenings which are not in our control, but all we can do is stay precautious as much as possible. So alright, thanks a lot for watching my video. Stay safe. और हाँ, एक और बात, the phone which was with me, like my phone, it was OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and by the way ये वही phone है जो कई बार ब्लास्ट भी हो चुका है. सो अगर ये फोन मेरे चोर के हाथ में ब्लास्ट हो जाता है, नहीं बोलना चाहिए ऐसी बातें, बट आई डोंट माइंड. और इसके बाद में मैं आपको ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि ये एवरीबडी नोस, ये ओमाइक्रॉन का स्प्रेड काफ़ी फास्ट एंड काफ़ी हाई हो रहा है these days. So please make sure to wear mask and try maintaining social distancing. But I know this is very difficult because मैं जिस ट्रेन में थी और जहाँ मेरा फ़ोन खोया, लोग चिपके हुए थे, लिटरली लोग ऐसे धसे हुए थे उसके अंदर. Okay, anyway, और another thing, like if in case you have noticed, मुझे चश्मा लग चुका है एंड दिस इज द ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास विच आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू वियर, लेकिन मेरी आंखें हमेशा से सही थी मगर अब लग चुकी। एनीवे, बकवास बातें हटाते हैं। थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग। इफ यू डिडंट सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल देन प्लीज डू इट। एंड ये इस वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में इंफॉर्मेटिव चीज़ें थी, so make sure that you share this video with all the people, and if you find some sort of careless and negligent type of people, उनको तो ज़रूर भेजे भाई, because आज मैंने जो मेरे साथ जो हुआ है एंड मैंने जो गलतियाँ की है, आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि अगर आप ऐसे एक वो पंछी बनू उड़ता फिरूँ मस्त गगन में, वो वाला फीलिंग लेके चलोगे तो फिर लाइफ नहीं चलने वाली। स्टे अलर्ट, दैट्स इट।